الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم.
Good, how are you?
Alhamdulillah.
MashaAllah.
Alhamdulillah.
Who are you?
Haraman.
Haraman?
Haraman.
Tayyib?
Do you understand what I said?
No.
Sir, tell him after finishing prayer, I said to him Haraman. He didn't answer back. Sorry? You speak Arabic, sir?
قليلا.
Oh, that's why. Yeah.
What's Haraman?
Haraman means in the haram, in Mecca. Then you say, to answer back, what?
What is Haram?
I have no idea what you're...
Haraman. In the haram. I'm Arab.
What are you talking about?
What happened? I'm Lebanese. It's no Haraman.
What's Haraman?
Do you know what the mosque in Mecca is in Saudi?
Yeah, of course. We know Masjid al-Haram.
Al-Sharif. Al-Haram al-Sharif. Al-Haram, not
Yeah,
Haraman.
maybe it's an Egyptian.
Wait, hold on.
Because it's Haraman.
What's your name?
Okay. What's your name? What's my name?
Yeah, what's your
My
name?
name is Daniel.
Danny?
Daniel.
Daniel. My name is Uthman.
Ahlan wa sahlan.
When we finish the salah, we make astaghfar 3 times. We make our tasbihat, read Ayatul Kursi. There is no haraman. This is not from the Sunnah. It's not in the Quran. It's not Islamic practice. Are you clear, Danielle?
If any one of you graduated from Al-Azhar, let me know.
None of us graduated from
None of
Al-Azhar.
Al-Azhar, that's why you don't know. Anyway,
Oh.
let's
Wait, hold on. I want to understand this.
Islamic
What?
scholar plays worldwide. You agree with me?
No,
Azhar?
we do not.
Okay.
Okay, who in Azhar said that after salah you say haraman?
Everyone, sir.
Everyone from... You're a lie. That's a
this is
lie.
not important
That's a
topic.
lie.
Okay,
Come
okay,
on,
okay.
bro.
Okay.
Yo, listen. He just started with a lie.
Let's-
Can you name me one scholar from Azhar that said after salah you say haraman? You said everyone. I'm asking for one name.
Okay. Sheikh Abdul Mati Bayoumi.
He said that after salah...
Yes. Sheikh Tayyib. Sheikh Ali Jum'ah. You need more?
Yes.
Sheikh Mukhtar Jum'ah. Sheikh, what's his name?
You're digging yourself in a hole,
No,
Daniel.
No.
So where...
Send you. I can
Send it to me. Excellent.
But
So
let's-
what book did they say? Because I want to look it up. Ali Gum'a, for example, in this book
It's
he
a
says, in this book
The
it's,
Prophet took
in this book it says after salah it says to say haraman. And if Ali Gum'a, Ali
It's the
Gum'a,
Bible.
okay,
It
so
will never say
what I asked you, you said Ali Gum'a and all the names that you mentioned, they said that after salah you say haraman.
Sir, I
If
answered
that's
you.
a lie,
Sir,
If that's a lie.
No, it's not a lie. I answer you. Can I change? Can I take the point? Can I ask my question?
Yes.
Because I answer your question.
you did not answer.
No. I told
Let me-
you
let-
three sheikhs.
But Daniel, if those 3 shuyukh did not say that it's from the sunnah after salah to say haraman, then you're a liar.
Okay. No. I know they said this.
This is the first lie, that all the scholars of Azhar hold the view that it's sunnah to say haraman after the prayer. Some said it was permissible, most said this is not permissible. None of them said it's sunnah. As Shaykh Ibn Baz here says that this is something that has no asal, Shaykh Bakr Abu Zayd here shows that this is a bid'ah.
But Daniel, if those 3 shuyukh did not say that it's from the sunnah after salah to say haraman, then you're a liar.
Okay. No. I know they said this, but I told you and I said. Now my question. My question
ahead.
is the great story of fidya and ransom in the Quran. Sayyidina Ibrahim alayhi salam.
Ibrahim
When
alayhi
he
salam.
wanted to sacrifice. Sorry, because I speak English. When
You
he
speak
wanted to
Arabic too.
Yeah, no, because all people need to understand.
Gotcha.
Right? So if you
I'm speaking English, don't worry about it.
Okay, no worries. If Sayyidina Abraham accepted the ransom, God gave it to him. Who designed the idea of the ransom? Eid al-Adha. Who designed it?
Want me to answer?
Allah? No.
Is that a question?
No.
Oh, it's not a question.
No,
Okay.
no.
That's a comment.
Yeah, it's a comment. God who designed it. If God designed something, can we refuse it? Can we refuse it?
Is that a question?
No. I'm just, it's a comment. I'm about to
That
finish.
sure sounded like a question to me.
Okay, no,
When
no.
you say can
Sir,
and pause, that's
sir,
usually a question.
Sir,
but
please listen to me that I
am.
listen to you. If you interrupt me,
I'm
will
listening.
interrupt you, right?
I'm just
Listen.
asking if it was a question or not.
No, it's not a question.
So can you let me know when you're
I finish,
finished?
yeah,
Yes, thank you. Go ahead,
So
Danny.
again, who designed the idea? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. designed the idea of the ransom, the replacement. If God designed the idea, can anyone refuse it? A'udhu billah. We can't refuse anything designed by God. If God designed this idea, can God repeat it? He is subhanahu wa ta'ala can repeat it thousands of times. So the idea that I'm bringing today, about to finish Shaykh, that God sent us another ransom. His name is Jesus Christ. You guys call him Isa. In the Quran, it does say, let me say this verse, you can comment later. Surah Al-Ma'idah 117. فَلَمَّا تَوَفَّيْتَنِي كُنْتَ أَنْتَ الرَّقِيبَ عَلَيْهِمْ. In English, Muhammad Asad and Taqtil, they said, when you caused me to...
Second lie here, Muhammad Pickthall did not translate here with when you caused me to die. In fact, I've put the translation from Muhammad William Pickthall on the screen, and you can see that he wrote, thou tooketh me, not that you caused me to die. This is another lie.
And Taqtil, they said, when you caused me to die. Jesus Christ did die as a ransom from God. If we don't accept him at the last day, we will have a hard time in front of God. I am done.
What's the verse?
Surah
Al-Ma'idah,
number 5, 117.
117.
What's your translation, by the way?
No, I'm just trying.
I need Muhammad Asad. I need
No, first thing is, bro, can you look at this for me? So you said 5117?
Right. Surah Al-Ma'idah.
Can you find for me 5117?
517.
Can I borrow this? Can I borrow this?
Oh, it's not mine.
It's mine.
Would you like some water? Yeah, no problem.
Someone so you guys can enter Jannah tonight. Thank you so much.
So is your point that it's not in this version of the Quran?
No, there are no versions. I'm just asking you,
There's Hafs and
where
Warsh, that much I know.
those are recitations. We've already been through this. None of them have anything but 414 chapters, right? Can you show me the verse, please?
No. There's a difference between
Can
Warsh
you-
and Hafs.
So is it?
He's saying that it doesn't have it in 5 because 5 only goes to 116 is what he said.
Which is this Hafs or is this
117.
Warsh?
117.
That I don't know. I'm asking you.
In English, you think they have Hafs and Warsh?
Yeah, Hafs and Warsh.
In English?
What do you mean in
By
English?
the way,
In English, you have a Hafs
You're
Quran
going to
and
have the
if
translation of
anyone
the
wants to know the difference
Arabic.
between Hafs and Warsh, we have
can
a
you-
brochure. They are complete.
can you show us the verse?
Please.
Thank you.
Yeah. This is a brochure. We want
Yeah,
to
so it's
answer.
evidence of
Please.
Hafs and Warsh.
Thank you.
We want to answer for this. This is, just take it. Just take it. We want to answer.
Okay. I'm gonna get going in 20 minutes, so I have things. So can you show me
Yeah,
5117?
I'm getting to you too.
Sheikh is gone.
I'm gone, huh?
He got
Hey, let him find 5117 first.
Okay,
Oh,
we're
yeah.
still waiting for you.
I got you.
There will be a lot of fundraising because of this YouTube.
Yeah, he's
I don't take money, by the way.
No.
You know I don't take money, right?
We're not even done.
You know I don't fundraise, right?
to do this in speaker's corner.
You used to do it?
Yes.
You used to in Speaker's Corner? You're at Speaker's Corner?
You want me to send you 2 files?
No. I just want you to 5117.
Talking with you. 750,000 people watching. With-
5117.
What's the guy? What the Pakistani guy? His name is.
Chef, I want to say something. He said I'm not Lebanese. I'm not Lebanese. He claims that he already lied.
It's okay. Can you just find 5117 for me?
Sir, it's 116. then-
You said 5117.
Yes, I'm getting in my. Then 118. I couldn't find. And I was witness on that. But when you took me, this is a wrong translation.
Now it becomes a wrong translation. Now, hold on. Let me speak now. Can I speak now? Can I speak?
But his
Sure.
point is
Let-
that he's going to pull up.
Can I
the
also
translation.
speak, if you don't mind? Thank you.
Yeah, please.
I appreciate
go ahead.
it. Okay. So now that you brought this up, we will read the verse for you, right? So 5117. I never told them anything except what you ordered me to say. Worship God, worship the one Allah, my Lord and your Lord. And I was a witness over them as long as I remain amongst them. But when you took me, right? When you, and there's a footnote if you want me to read, but forget the footnote, let's read scripture, right? When you took me, you were the witness over them, and you are a witness over all things. If you punish them, then they belong to you, and after all. But if you forgive them, you are surely the Almighty, the All-Wise. So now,
Okay.
go ahead.
Muhammad Asad.
Go ahead.
Asad translation. Please read it. Please read it. Thou hast caused me to die.
Sure.
Thou hast caused me to die. This is Muhammad Asad. He's not a Christian guy. This is the first one.
I got you.
Yeah, that's just
Second
another
one.
translation.
Second one.
Ah.
Second one. Safi Kaskas.
Who?
After Safi, it's from Islam Awakened. It's not from my website.
No, not your website. But whose translation is that?
It's his name, Safi Kaskas.
Okay,
I know you're
let me
going to
take a
say you
look.
didn't hear of him.
I haven't, but that's interesting.
I
Okay,
know.
hold
And I
on,
haven't
hold
heard
on.
of yours.
So the funny thing is, you just skipped over the next one.
No, I'm
It's kind of funny, right?
But he's, no,
He's not going through. He's skipping.
No,
Sir,
he's setting
I'm about
up.
to finish.
He's setting up his own point.
Okay,
You have
got
to let him set up his own
I got you. I'll let him set up.
Okay.
You good? Go ahead.
So the first translation said, when you caused me to die. The second one, like this one, when you left me out. The third
No,
one,
it doesn't say when you left me up. That's wrong. I mean, you
when
can read
took
it.
me, when you took me.
No, he just misread that, right? Can you
so where's that?
can you just actually read, because I don't want to. Okay, it says, "Worship God, my Lord and your Lord, and I was a witness over them along the way with them. But you took me."
When you took me, sorry. I'm
Thank
sorry.
you. It's okay.
When
No
you
problem.
took me. So one said that when you caused me to die. Second, when you took me. Third one, when you caused me to die. Safi Kaskas. Fourth one, when you took me out. Where is the truth?
I got you. No problem.
Where is the truth?
No
Two
problem.
scholars said that Jesus did die. Two scholars
Sure.
said that he didn't die. Where is the truth? I really want to believe in any of these,
Any of them?
but there is no.
Okay.
Whatever is the
Yeah.
truth.
Okay.
any,
I will
any.
explain it. No
Yeah,
problem.
Yeah. Okay.
I got
So
you.
Please, I'm really confused, guys.
Well, I'm
Where
here
is
to
the
clear
truth?
up your confusion.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Now, can I speak?
Absolutely.
I let him speak, right? Respectfully. Thank you. I
Yes.
appreciate it. Appreciate your good manners.
Continue.
Now, when we talk about tafsir, right? Muhammad Asad, for example, as you know, he was not a scholar of hadith, right? You know his background?
This is not true.
It's not true?
No.
Where did he study hadith?
This third lie is a blatant lie. Muhammad Asad was a Austro-Hungarian Jew who reverted to Islam. He never officially studied Islam. It was self-taught. The only thing he studied was the history of art and philosophy in Vienna. His translation was banned in Saudi Arabia in 1974 due to glaring errors. He never studied in Qawarin University. This is a lie.
In al-Qur'an, he studied hadith. That's a second lie today.
Oh, no, okay.
Okay, we will look that up.
Lie. No.
If we look that up, first lie,
There's not
at least you admit it's the first lie.
They
Okay,
are the authentic
okay.
translators
Muhammad
of the
Asad is
Quran.
not. Okay,
Why
see,
you flee from there?
now you see, he won't let me answer. Muhammad Asad, you said he studied hadith from where?
From where?
al-Qur'an. And if we
We're not
find,
saying
and
about
if we find that Muhammad Asad did not study hadith from al-Qur'an, as you just stated, that's a lie then, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Now, I am. Let me explain. Let me
Stay on
explain.
topic, sir.
I am staying on topic. This is related to the topic. Okay? Now let me explain. I got you. Relax. Now, when we talk about wafat, wafa, are you paying attention or are you distracted?
Yes.
Okay, right? There are meanings that have to do with linguistics, right? And then can I finish answering without interruption, please? Thank you. They have to do with linguistics. How do we understand the Quran? First, we look at the Quran's tafsir with the Quran itself. Without anybody's translations, you have to look at when Quran explains himself. And when the Quran itself says that they did not kill Isa ibn Maryam, then we make tafsir of the ayah with the Quran. Wafa here meaning that he was taken, not killed. Now, if somebody mistranslates it because they don't have enough of the Arabic language, I'm going to finish.
No,
I'm going to
just
finish.
repeat it.
Wafa.
Emphasize on it. What's the meaning of wafa?
It can mean death, it can mean taken away, it can mean lifted, it can have many, it can mean separated. Wafat min ad-dunya, yani you're separated from the dunya. Tayyib? Now, if you like, we can look at Ibn Kathir or Tabari or those ulama that understood hadith well. Now, when we look at early translations like Yusuf Ali or Pickthall, none of them were scholars of Islam. They were not. They never studied hadith, they never studied tafsir. That's why Dr. Mohsin Khan, for example, and Shaykh Hilali, they set out to set a more accurate translation of the Quran. Why? Not my opinion, facts that they didn't study. Yusuf Ali was from an Ismaili background. His background was in English, no Islamic credentials. Pickthall as well. And Muhammad Asad did not study hadith. If you had, then the tafsir of the Quran bil Quran would have told you here wafat means to be taken away and not dead. And that's why the more accurate translation,
not taken away, not dead. Remember,
not dead, taken away. Yes.
Taken away, not
sure.
dead. Okay.
Now let me. I'm not finished. Okay. Thank you. So, when we look at that, we have, for example, the translations called Sahih International, or Dr. Mustafa Khattab, or Sheikh Hilali and Mohsin Khan. What did they do? They looked at the Quran and its tafsir with the Quran itself. They looked at the Quran and the tafsir from the ahadith and the Arabic language, because one word, as you know, because you know Arabic, many times has multiple meanings. For example, wajib. I'm just giving an example to understand. Wajib can mean obligatory. Wajib can mean homework. Right? So this, when I tell my son, make sure you finish your wajib, I don't mean that it's obligatory. The word bid'ah, sharia, all of them have multiple meanings, right? So what is the meaning here? The ayah is made tafsir of by the Quran itself that he was not killed.
Yeah. Okay.
Go ahead.
You done?
Yes.
Okay. I have here a picture of Mukhtar al-Sahah, the official Arabic dictionary that everyone follows. Official Arabic dictionary. Here to the camera, please. This is a picture of Mukhtar al-Sahah about the verb wafa that the Imam said. He said that it doesn't mean to die. Please read. You want to read Arabic?
Did I say it doesn't mean to die, or did I say there's multiple meanings?
Okay.
What did I say?
There is nothing more than to die. Nothing.
Lie number 4. The word wafa can only mean death. Their own handout shows that they're lying. That's why they don't translate. Look, it says wafaya in the top right hand corner. The root word shows that it has the meaning of loyalty. It has a meaning of keeping your promises. Many different meanings come from the same word. This is from Mukhtar al-Sihah. This is a dictionary that they say is official. There's no official dictionary, but this is a dictionary. It's a single volume little work, but it shows wafaya, the root word, makes derivatives from them wafat, which has a meaning of death. But bigger books like Lisan al-Arab, and I've shown both. On the left, the little skinny green volume is what they're referencing. On the right, the voluminous work, Lisan al-Arab, it shows that wafat also has the meaning of taking something completely, or removing something, or counting the completeness of a nation. So this shows that saying that it only has the meaning of death is a lie, because the Arabic dictionaries show that there are multiple meanings. Now, in the early works of Quran, there is Jami' al-Ahkam al-Quran of Qurtubi. Here Al-Hasan al-Basri, one of the early scholars, shows the word wafat. In that particular derivative, it has come with 3 different meanings in the Quran. 1, to mean death. 2, to mean sleep. And he has references that Allah is the one that gives you wafat in the night, meaning the sleep, in Surah An'am. And also rafa, to be lifted up, as it was done with Isa ibn Maryam.
Did I say it doesn't mean to die, or did I say there's multiple meanings? What did I say?
There is nothing more than to die. Nothing. It's only to die. Wafa. Al-wafa ضد الغدر. يقال
ضد الإيه؟
ضد الغدر.
طيب.
يقال وفى بعهده. إنسان وفي ضد الإنسان الغادر. وفى بعهده وأوفي بمعنى وفى الشيء يفي بالكسر وفيا. Sir, you're not Arabic, so you may not understand.
I do understand because I studied Arabic. Go ahead.
Very good. على فعول أي تم وقطر والوفي الوافي وأوفى على الشيء أشرف وأوفى حقه وفاه توفية.
And all of those meanings were not death.
توفية بمعنى أعطاه.
He just proved himself.
وتوفاه. It's here in front of everyone.
وفى حقه. Come here, Michelle, come.
وتوفاه الله فلما توفينا أي قبض روحه. قبض روحه.
Sure.
If you want to play with the words of the Quran, God will judge you.
Allah will judge us. If you want to play with the
If you
Quran.
play
Okay.
with the words of the Quran, because
Let me
the
see.
word توفيتني.
Can I see it?
Never, sir, it's yours.
Okay, no problem.
I have a picture from Mukhtar
So,
to everyone.
Wafa, the verb, what does it mean? In what you just read, what does it mean?
Read Mukhtar Sahab.
Go
Don't
ahead.
ask me.
No. Okay, so now let me
finish.
Okay, you told me about. I'll let you finish. Go ahead.
So my point is, we came back to the death of Sayyidina Isa. If the Quran said that Sayyidina Isa died according to Mukhtar Sahah, if God sent him to die, why we have to deny him? And if we deny him, still the question for all of us will be, do you have a guarantee to go to Jannah? None of us has a guarantee because you don't have a fidya. You're still waiting for your good deeds to outweigh your bad deeds. So, in my opinion, which I'm gonna do, this will be the second topic to discuss. Sayyidina Adam alayhi salam in the Quran was kicked outside Jannah because of one mistake. One disobedience was enough for Sayyidina Adam to be kicked outside Jannah. All of us does the same mistakes, including me. I am sure, I am telling in front of Allah, and Allah is my witness. All of us will be kicked outside Jannah. Don't think anyone are gonna make it until you find a solution where you're gonna go to Jannah. I'm done.
You're done?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So, first thing you said, wafa cannot mean anything but death, right? The first lie here is Mukhtar Sahha is not an official dictionary that we've all come to consider. There are many dictionaries. Lisan al-Arab, for example, is a much bigger and well-accredited dictionary. So this is a lie, right? Secondly, let me finish.
In the high school you'd study.
Go ahead.
Front of God.
Front of God?
Mukhtar Sahah or not?
In school.
In school.
In the Middle East.
Yes.
Yeah, Lisan al-Arab.
Now your lie has been caught in front of Allah. Your lie has been caught. Your lie has been caught. لا تكذب. لا تكذب. الآن أمام الناس, in front of people, now you've been caught.
No.
You've been caught.
This is
Lisan al-Arab is how big is it? Mukhtar say how big is it? I have both.
It's not about this.
How big is it?
It's about the official one.
There is no official one. Look, in Azhar, they have Lisan al-Arab. You have been caught now in front of everybody. In front of everybody.
No.
In front of everybody.
No.
Yeah, okay. Now,
Your school is different from my
translate. But you said, you told him that this is what but he now showed you that you were wrong. Read, just translate the verb.
الوفاء ضد الغدر يقال, it said وفى بعهده.
So translate that.
Yeah, he
Listen. Why are you?
وفى بعهده. He gave his he came to his agreement, or he fulfilled. So wafa can mean fulfilled according to this. That's the first thing that what it means.
No, hold on. No, we're not done talking. Not done talking, right? Not talking. ثلاثي والاسم فاعل والمفعول نعرفها. نعرف الثلاثي والرباعي. اسمع هذا ثلاثي. طيب.
Okay.
Here in your own printout, the thing is you try to trick people that don't speak Arabic, right? In your own printout, it says that wafa, the root word, the root verb, does not mean death, but to fulfill a promise instead of ghadr. What does ghadr mean? The acts of it, to betray, not death. Right? So your root word shows it.
Sir, I said
Now.
Verb, sir.
So why do you have wafa as a root?
Add it here, watawaffa.
And it doesn't come from wafa?
That's why you want me to believe you're a scholar or you.
What is
Okay.
fatah? What is
Okay.
fatah?
Now look. Now his lie is right here. His lie is right here. We will put this whole thing, don't worry. You cut, we lift the whole thing. Now, look at this. The beginning of the root word here is not wafat. Look at it. Do you see the star, the asterisk? Your lie is cut from your pamphlet in front of your people.
No.
Now, look. What is the root word here? Wafa. What is the root word? No. Let me speak. Let me speak now. I am speaking now. Here. Let me speak. Let me speak. Look, if somebody, I don't insult people, but I call it as it is. If I see a duck, I call it a duck. Tayyib? No. Jesus told us forgive, sir. Where did he tell you that? We'll talk about the Bible. We'll talk about the Bible in a minute. Inshallah. Only one version. Only one version. Now let's take a look at this. No. Okay. One version. Only one version. Only one version.
And have one book called Is the Quran Infallible?
Tayyib. You don't want to listen. Only one version. Okay, only one version.
I am ready to go to Islam.
Only one version of the Bible. Okay, I got you.
Inside the book called
Only. See, you see this now? This is not a conversation. It's a lecture now. I was speaking. He didn't let me finish.
Sir, because you insulted me.
Look, you insulted me.
Please stay with
but
the topic.
I am speaking. No. Can you please listen? No. Thank you. He won't let me speak. He won't let me speak. If somebody lies, I'm going to call him a liar. Tell you. One, no.
I didn't. He lied to me. Sir, stick with the topic.
Okay, if it's not respected,
no, thank you. Can I speak? Can I speak? Thank you.
But please
Okay.
don't
No,
describe the person.
Okay, I will not describe you. But if somebody lies, this is what a liar is. Okay. Now he said one version of the Bible. Can you show me these chapters in this version?
Sir, we didn't. Oh,
go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
It's the Catholic Bible. Now, one version of the Bible. Remember that. He said that in front of all of you, right?
Okay.
Okay. Go ahead.
Ready for me to explain?
Ready.
Bibles, they are translations. When you say versions, you deceive people.
That chapter is not there, not translation.
He interrupted me.
Okay, I'm sorry. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Please let me finish.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Finish. Finish.
Please, okay?
Finish.
So what we have in the New Testament, it's originally in Greek. The Greek, for me as an Arabic speaker and an English speaker, they need to be translated. Every one of you can translate the Bible. When you translate the Bible, we're gonna get multiple translations. You won't be able to offer the same words and the same.
Finish.
Because I want you to understand. The inspiration and the revelation of the Bible is not literal like the Quran. It's in the meaning. We don't care. I know.
Interesting.
I know. It's very interesting. It's in the meaning, not in the words. That's why our Bible can be translated to any language without losing its power. But the Quran, if it's translated to another language, it's gonna lose its power.
Hold on. Can I? Wait. Hold on. Let me. Now, you, bro, be honest. He said this is a translation issue. When you have chapters that are missing, this is not an issue of translation. His lie is going to be caught in front of everybody again now. I'm not calling him a liar, but this is a lie. No, let me finish. This is not a translation issue. Look. This chapter, Tobit. Just find me the chapter, not a translation. Not a translation. Just find me the chapter.
The chapter is missing.
Just find me the chapter. Find me the chapter. Find me the chapter. Find me the chapter. I'm not going to call you a liar. How's that? Find me the chapter. Find me Tobit. Find me Tobit. Find me Tobit. No, you said it's just the issue of translation. Find me the Tobit. The question is find me Tobit in this Bible. Go ahead.
These are translations. These are translations. That's why they differ among themselves.
The chapter is missing.
You have in the Quran.
See again, now it's jumping.
Arabic language.
The whole chapter. Find me a Quran that doesn't have 114 chapters. Wallahi, you're finished.
Different than each.
As Muhammad Hijab said.
Anyone want to know the different than each other.
Look, bro, bro. I know you're not a liar, right?
This is the word.
Is this translation or are these different chapters? You know it, bro. You know. Read Tobit. Read. You know it. Hey, bro. Look, don't get into this. Wait, let me finish. See, he wants to jump from me now. He wants to jump from me, that's why he's talking to you. He wants to jump from me. Isma Habib. This is not a translation. This chapter is not there in this Bible. Now you find me the chapter, not find it. Find Tobit in here. Find this chapter, not translation, not an issue. The Catholic. Thank you. Catholic Bible has record this. What did she say? What did you say? Come here, lady. You said the Catholic Bible has 5 different books that are not in your Bible, right?
We did not say that.
She just said that. She just said the Catholic Bible has 5 more books than the Bible you have, right? Did you say that or not? Exactly. The apocryphal. So those are there. She's speaking the truth. Let her speak.
Difference between Catholicism and Protestant.
Thank you. So they are not translations. They're different books. Are they translations or books? Look, bro. Tell the truth. Are they translations or are they different books?
Books are different than the Bible.
Exactly. So this Bible and this Bible is not the same. This has different chapters. It's not translations. You're lying. They're not translations. Look, you tell me the truth, bro. I know that you're not. Is this translation or are these different books than this Bible? Tell the truth.
We are here.
Tell the truth. Put the camera on.
Okay.
What is that, the Douay?
This is a Catholic Bible.
Yeah, the Catholics have done some pretty strange things.
They have. Okay.
But you're talking
But
about
he said this is a translation. Is this an issue of translation?
That's usually
Okay, let me speak. Let me ask you something. I'm asking him. Go ahead.
Bible were not Catholic.
Right.
Okay, no problem. But you. Okay, let me answer now. Let me answer.
But I didn't finish.
But okay, I'll let you finish. I will let you finish. I'm letting him finish.
We are not Catholic.
I'm gonna let him finish.
We are not Catholic. We are evangelical. Of course, you know that.
So if you want to do,
that's why if you want to do the
I
comparison
got you.
between King James and other
I got you.
Protestant Bible.
translations, but
Let him
again,
finish.
please don't tell people, and I don't want to say lie to people by saying they are versions. It's translations. Be faithful in front of God. Don't say versions. Versions, they are in the Quran, in the original language, and they differ among each other. Sir, the last thing I want to say, if you continue anyone denying that Jesus came as our sacrifice to save us,
Preacher mode.
I don't know what's going to happen to you. That's why no one of here agree about going guaranteed to Jannah. That's why we are here to talk.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Can I speak now?
Yeah.
Can I speak?
But I'm leaving.
See, now when I'm going to speak, he's leaving.
I'm listening.
Okay, got it.
Can you finish?
Okay. Thank you.
No,
Thank
I'm
you.
listening.
I said thank you for listening. I'm just shaking your hand. Okay. Now, you know, there's a difference between having a different number of books and translations, okay? Now, if he was to say that this is the Catholic Bible and this is the Protestant Bible and this is Jehovah's Witness Bible, I understand. Even amongst Protestant Bibles, among NSAIB, and if you look at King James, there are different verses that have been changed. But that's not the point. The point is, can I speak? Can I speak? Please. Thank you. Eastern Orthodox, Greek Orthodox, the Ethiopian Orthodox, they all have different books that were there. Now, the problem that gets to be is that this man in front of you said that these are not different books, they're different translations. translations. He looked at them, he looked at the chapter, and he continued to lie by saying that these are translations. This is not translation. Until he was caught. It's all on tape. It's all recorded. Until we will look at it. He said these are translations. These are not differences. They are not differences. No. Don't tell me what he thought. Okay? He saw the books. I pointed out Tobit, and he said that they are not different books, and they're translations. Thank you very much. I ask Allah to guide you. Give me a hug. Come here.
We are different, but we love each other.
May Allah guide me and you to the truth.
آمنت أن الآخرة لا بد يوما آتية كل الخلائق حاضرة كل السرائر بادية آمنت أن الآخرة لا بد يوما آتية كل الخلائق حاضرة كل السرائر بادية